Simo from Badia.
Oh my God! Yada 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 yada.
The villages I'm from is Vayete and Kiavi. Pretty useless, eh? Yeah, I was pretty content. I was nah, lips you crap. Nah, the whole year I was happy. The whole year I was happy. Well, I was playing the game majority of the year. I was happy. I did that the whole year. From the start of the year, that was maybe the start of my progression. And by the end of the year, I was still there. That's why I see as 2022 was useless. Honestly, I'm looking forward to it because I've already said some changes and I'm actually doing it. Yeah, it was guided from our team because we're trying to make a business too. It's easier said than done, obviously. And I've come to realize that instead of being happy, being content, progression is happiness. And I find that really factual because I've experienced it, because I've invested in the business. My thinking has changed. Not much changes, but a lot of self-discipline is applied this time, which is what I think is actually the biggest part of my progress.
Yeah, name some of those, if you could name some of those changes that you went through personally.
One of the biggest changes I've made is playing the game. Because I'm a mad nerd. I don't like going outside my house. Some of the boys already know. My mates, they know I don't like going out. But the changes that I made is made a deal with Anne, and I'm not touching the game until I have $500,000 in my bank account. So until I see that in my bank account, as soon as 99 cents at that 1 cent in, I'm jumping on. My why? My why first and most is my mum. She's undeniably my goddess. She is. Because I'm the third oldest. I say there's 12 of us, but I don't really know, to be honest, the exact number. Yeah, my why is my mum and all my siblings, just my family, all of them. I love them all, and the reason why I'm here, the reason why I've changed, is because my mom came down for a visit, and as I was just, I don't know, for some reason I just wanted to watch her, and then yeah, just the way she is, like she's not getting younger, and yet I was being happy last year. You see what I mean? Like, it doesn't add up. I'm looking out for myself, but by the time my mom's like elderly, old, I won't be able to do anything. Like, I can't, because I've been so focused on myself. I'm just too used to my mom looking out for us. Yeah, I do have step siblings, and their father didn't like us. Me and my brothers from my dad. My mom never hated it. Even after so much hidings, I understood why she did it. Yeah, and I love her with all my heart. She's definitely my wife, and I will look after her.
Please take it easy.